think what we need to write is slanting like this and this too. How to write A? Like A is like this, C is like this, E is like this, I is like this. How to write M? How to write M is like this. How to write N is like this. How to write O is like this. How to write U is like this. How to write V is like this. How to write W is like this. How to write X is like this. How to write is all like this. A, C, I, E, O, M, N, U, V, W, X. How to write B is like this. B, D, H. This is a practice for K, and we need to write K like this. T, T, L. I'll tell you the total. A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, B, D, H, K, L, T. Now we are learning new thing. J, G, J, P, Q, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, 9, Y, Z. Now we are writing total alphabets and collections. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we are learning cursive. A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, A, F, A, G, A, H, A, I, A, J, A, K, A, L, A, M, A, N, A, O, A, P, A, Q, A, R, A, S, A, T, A, U, A, V, A, W, A, W, A, Y, A, Z. Now we are learning B collection. B, A, B, 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 C, B, D, B, E, B, F, B, G, B, H, B, I, B, J, B, K, B, L, B, M, B, N, O, B, B, O, B, P, B, P, B, Q, B, R, B, S, B, T, B, U, B, V, B, W, B, X, B, Y, B, Z. Now F collection. F, A, F, B, F, E, F, G, F, H, F, I, F, J, F, K, F, L, F, M, F, N, O, F, O, F, P, F, Q, F, R, F, S. Now we are learning F, T, F, U, F, V, F, W, F, X, Y, X, Y, F, Y, F, Z. Now we are learning C collection. C, A, C, B, C, 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 D, C, E, C, F, C, G, C, H, C, I, C, Z, J, C, K, C, L, C, M, C, N, O, C, O, C, P, C, Q, C, R, C, S, C, T, C, U, C, U, C, W, C, X, C, Y, C, Z. Now we are learning D collection. D, A, D, B, D, C, D, E, D, D, F, G, G, D, G, D, H, D, I, D, J, D, J, K, D, L, D, M, D, N, D, O, D, P, D, Q, D, R, D, H, D, S, D, T, D, U, D, V, D, W, D, E, D, Y, D, Z. And I learned with cursive light. I only write 2 words, but today I learned one cursive my name. Bye bye.